Listen, platform engineering is just adding product management to whatever sort of developer-centric ops stuff you're doing. We call it a platform, but you have a stack of things that they use, often self-service cloud stacks where developers get access to resources. Maybe you integrate in the frameworks they have. All platform engineering is doing is saying, what if we had a product manager that thought about developers as the customers of what we have and studied what they do, what they need to be successful, what they need to be helpful for the organization you're in. And instead of doing things in an operations, IT service management kind of way, we did it in a product management way, where you're prioritizing features, changes to make, based on being helpful for your customers, the developer. So if you're interested in platform engineering, you can read all of the stuff, but really just start with an understanding of product management. And if you want to implement a program, think about, do I have a product manager? Why don't I introduce a product manager? Now, thankfully, product management is very well understood, very well studied. It's not rocket science. If you search for Tanzu Labs Product Manager Playbook, you can get a pretty good free overview of what it looks like. And you can start to get into platform engineering. Probably what you have already, probably what you're doing, probably since you've finally gotten your DevOps strategy in place. You don't need to rip and replace all of that and do something different. Just look at what you have, study up what product management is, get a product manager, and start talking with developers. Go to them every couple of weeks, find out what they're doing. You can use surveys, like the free one that we have available. There's all sorts of surveys you can get that will tell you about your developer experience. All this developer experience thing is doing is helping you product manage what to focus on, what to put in for your developers. And listen, this isn't being dismissive. It actually is phenomenal to add product management to your operational capabilities, to what you're doing to support developers. Frankly, I'm not sure why it's taken this long to be kind of popular. We started talking about it back at Pivotal, now Tanzu, in 2018, 2019, with this idea of platform as a product. And you really do see the results, especially in large organizations that have centralized, standardized IT that need that for the kind of scale and efficiency and regulatory security, blah, blah, blah stuff that they need. If you don't product manage that, your developers suffer because you basically are not evolving the platform that you had. You kind of just have it statically put there, which is kind of what you want with regular infrastructure and operational stuff. So introducing product management, especially at large organizations, is incredibly valuable.